Apparently peach is a big trend of this year and I'm not a fan. But what if I could find a way to make that work for me? Like peach in itself just sounds so meh, but if you mix it perhaps with some other things, I might be a fan. I think to get me on board, I need to be extremely bronze, so I'm taking the LYS bronzing stick because it is a little bit too dark for me, and I think that's gonna work quite well with what I have planned. Just setting my face quickly. I'm gonna re-intensify this with some powder bronzer. I think to not feel too dull, I sort of need to layer in some other colors. And I think I want to take this midnight color from the Fall Romance palette, and that's gonna go right in the other crease. And I'm gonna dip into the Sun in the Cosmos palette. It is a really nice peachy shade, and it doesn't look like that in the pan, but look at that. I think I'm also gonna have it go up a little bit right here. I'm gonna take this peach glitter. That is so pretty. I love it so much. Alright, let's take our peach blush and start filling that in. Now I'm gonna make Stardust and Butterscotch in Anastasia's Glow Kit. You get a sort of peachy highlighter. Tarte Fake Awake, some shimmer. You know I love an under eye shimmer. It's my favorite way to feel pretty. For the lips, I'm going to do Sexy Sienna by Charlotte Tilbury for the perfect peach. And gloss. You knew it was coming. Now this is a peach look I could get behind.